How to use Hula AI Video Generator app. Here's how to turn text into videos using the Hula AI app. Perfect for short content creation on the go. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Hula AI. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create an account using your email or Google login. Step 2. Start a new video project from the main dashboard. Tap the plus or create button. You'll be asked to enter a prompt. Step 3. After entering your prompt, you'll see a list of templates or styles like talking avatar, cinematic reels, or animated explainers. Tap 1 to preview and continue. Step 4. Hit generate and wait a few seconds while Hula creates your video. It will auto-generate visuals, voiceover, music, and transitions based on your prompt and style. Step 5. Once it's ready, you can preview your video. Tap Edit if you want to change scenes, text, or video style. Just a little heads up, free users may have watermarks and limited export options. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks HD export, longer videos, and more AI styles. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.